I'm the owner of AZRegenerative Medicine. And I would like to bring to you some important information. I think it's vital for all of the public to hear today, and that's how to increase your immune system. We're going to be doing Myers cocktails, IV drips in our clinic. And one of the most important things to realize about the immune system is when it's under attack, it has to have a lot of antioxidants to be able to strengthen against the enemy that right now we're having a hard time seeing, which is the coronavirus. So the Myers cocktail is an IV drip. It's relatively painless, and it helps to be able to reduce inflammation, reduce muscle fatigue and pain, helps to reduce anxiety. And I know right now in our time of crisis there is a lot of anxiety because of the stress that we're feeling. I'm hoping that this will help to alleviate some of that so that we can think and act in a normal manner every day and be able to assimilate the knowledge that's coming at us so quickly and be able to discern properly with wisdom on how to handle what we're dealing with as a group right now, the whole world actually. We want to be able to increase the vitamin C, the magnesium, the calcium. The vitamin C it's so powerful against viruses and bacterias that we're actually putting 10 mLs in ours. That's a little more than what's recommended on average. And that's because I really want you all to have that vital force to be able to increase your immune system. The magnesium, calcium, that helps you to relax, helps anxiety to come down. We're also going to be putting even ozone in some of these. Not everybody wants that, but ozone is something where we have a lot of oxygen going into the bloodstream, and it's done with the IV drip as well, all at the same time. And we have to remember that the viruses, bacteria, cancers, and funguses, they cannot live in a highly oxygenated environment. And there's plenty of data out there validating how this can help you. So I'm hoping that you're doing well at home. I'm hoping you're staying inside unless you're an essential part of the world that needs to stay out there to help maintain normal function. And I'm looking forward to being a part of helping you all. So if you know somebody in your area that's doing Myers cocktails, if you know somebody in there who's doing IV ozone, I'm going to recommend please get a hold of them. Please ask them, are they having special pricing for this? What's their availability to get in? And start strengthening your immune system. If you're already healthy, there's nothing going to hurt you to get healthier. And that's what this will do for you. So may God bless you in this time of need. I'm looking forward to seeing you healthy and happy around that next corner. If you'd like, you can give us a call at AZRegenerative Medicine. We'll answer any questions we can. Just pick up the phone. We'll be happy to return the call if we're not available. You can call us at 602-992-2656. That's 602-992-2656. And have a happy, wonderful, healthy, blessed day.